Welcome to this 1 minute yoga practice for beginners. Well, explore simple stretches and poses to ease you into yoga. Take a deep breath in and let's begin. Pose 1, mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, engage your core, feel strong and grounded. Arms by your sides, relax your shoulders, hold for 5 breaths. Pose 2, neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your air towards your shoulder. Hold for 5 breaths, switch sides. Pose 3, shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward, up and back. Release tension, relax shoulders down. Repeat for 5 rounds. Pose 4, seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Hold for 5 breaths. Pose 5, cat cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back like a cat. Exhale, round your back like a cow. Repeat for 5 rounds. Final tips. Remember, yoga is a journey. Start slow, listen to your body and have fun. Thanks for practicing with me. Subscribe for more beginner friendly yoga routines.